Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video I will show you a quick demo of one of my project that is inside the ChartJs library, okay, in JavaScript with PHP and MySQL. This is one of our demo project. We have a dedicated team in web developing, charts, data analysis, dashboard developing, and many more, including mobile developing. So if you want any similar or different work, so in the video description click on show more, and inside this is the contact or order link. Click on this, and inside this link fill your criteria like first name, your email, that is mandatory. You will be contacted on this email address, okay, which you provide, your query messages, or you can attach any file including png or zip or anything, okay, and click on the send, click to send, okay. Your message will be sent and you will further contacted on your email. Is 32, okay, and this graph will automatically refresh after after 30 seconds, okay. And by default here you can see that there is a background color. If I explain it to you, inside the config file, okay, there I place the check that if the basically we define the threshold. For example, if the temperature is from 0 to 40 degree, okay, 40 degrees come from this code. I will explain it to you. This is the config file, configuration file. Here we define the error temp, warn temp, and there is value. For example, if I go to the code, here you can see that for the background colors rules, I set the rules. If the temperature is up to the basically configure term, okay, it means that 40, then show me the green. If up to 65, then show the yellow. Here we define the variable that is here you can see that error temp is 65, okay. So the if the temperature is up to 40, then the background color should be green. 40 to 65, the color should be yellow, and above the 65 the color should be yellow. And this is according the status. If the maximum temperature is above than 65, then status is error. If the temperature is below above 40 and below 65, the color will be yellow and the status will be warning, something like, okay. So this is the dynamic graph, and this by default this line is showing the maximum temperature. For example, if I click on this line, here you can see that it's basically on this timestamp, that is July 13/7/1, out of all these 12 temperatures value, the maximum value is this, and inside this timestamp the maximum temperature value is this and this. So this line is showing the maximum temperature for every time in every timestamp out of these 12 sensors, okay. For example, you can also hide this and show me the temperature sensor 1 value. Here you can see that the sensor 1 value is this, sensor 2 value is this, sensor 3 value is this, 4 value, 5 value. Here you can see that you can enable and disable the each individual sensor value, and if you disable all, okay, for example this, and only show me the one that is the maximum value, okay. This is the maximum value, okay. So on the right hand there is a refresh button for every instance. If you click on the refresh here, you can see that on the recent timestamp is this, and basically on the right hand the maximum current timestamp, and on the left hand basically the all these according to this last 3 hours, this filter it will refresh the latest, okay. For example, show me the last 2 hours data. Here you can see that for current to last -2 hours, it shows me the only that data that exists from now to -2 hours, okay. Show me the last 1 hour's data. Here you can see that now is 9:58 and -1 hour is 8:58. So from 8:58 to 9:58 it shows me the 1 hour's data, and obviously there is the maximum temperature. You can also if it is, you can disable it and show me only the sensor 1 data according to this timestamp, sensor 2 data, or refresh that. Here you can see that it will refresh to the current timestamp as well. So this is the basically a beautiful dynamic chart graph in ChartJs. I will do the things similar to these projects. If you have if you want any work related to this project, on the video description basically I placed a mention, basically my website link is mentioned. You can just go to that specific website link and fill your category and basically after that you can send me the requirement. I will answer it to you and basically provide me the email on that specific form on my website, and whenever I replied it to you, it will goes to your email and you can check, and we have a good time. Okay, and I have experienced more than 10 years in software developing, so hopefully you will like my work. Have a nice day, stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe my channel as well for more informative videos. Bye bye.